In a sunlit kitchen, a careful craftsman spots a stubborn drip and surveys the scene with calm focus. He pulls a pocket toolkit from his belt, the tools glinting as he chooses a precision wrench for the seal. With steady breaths, he tightens joints, doubles the grip, and flicks a tiny flashlight toward the back panel for visibility. The lake eases, the room breathes easier, and a quick shim keeps the fix sturdy for weeks to come. Neighbors peek through the doorway as the quick repair becomes a small lesson in patience, planning, and practical DIY.